caption style settings are available in this group. And you have live preview on the right. For groups, you can choose word by word or phrases. If you choose phrases, you have option to choose how many lines you like, 1 or 2 lines. We cannot always guarantee 2 lines because of the pauses and phrase lengths. So we will try to make it 2, but it can be 1 in some cases. Most popular position is center, but if you make videos for Meta or TikTok, try upper third. It makes sure to not cover any elements of the UI on all popular platforms. You can also set it to custom and adjust to your preferences. You can add animated emoji. By default, it's every third phrase. You can disable them completely or make them more or less frequent. The third phrase is not precise. AI will determine the best placement and it might skip some phrases if it doesn't think the emoji is relevant there. If you need to change the skin tone, cycle through it. You can translate the captions to another language. It will only show the translation without the original. It is very useful if you target your content to other countries. A person could speak in English and captions will be in Spanish. You can mask profanity either partially or fully. You can adjust the capitalization. By default, it's all caps, but you can make it sentence case, lowercase, or no spaces at all. For the fillers, you can remove them. By default, it removes most common fillers in most languages, but you can also add custom fillers and they will be removed too. Just type them, comma separated in this list. If you don't have the live preview, make sure you have enough space for it to show or check the advanced settings. Make sure it is on.